Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porgus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, to train the user, and to hand over the finished product to the client. Electrical checks. Check the breaker settings. The amperages can be checked on the data plates of the pumps. Check all connections are secure. With a digital multimeter, check that 24 volt, 220 volt and 400 volt supplies are all correct. Check any connections to slaves. For the PLC logger, is the green light on? If the green light on the front of the logger is on, everything is working correctly. Record the MAC address of the device. This may be handy in the future. After testing, remove the SD card and read the data. Ensure this has been logged to the card. Reinstall before finally commissioning the unit. For further support, please contact us.